and we have pre-sold 100,000 of these to various fleets across America.
Steve Burns stood in front of a dead GM factory and said Lordstown Motors had 100,000 orders for electric trucks. The claim worked. The stock exploded. The story spread nationwide. It even reached the White House. For a while, everything pointed up. Then, just 12 months later, in 2021, a short seller report dropped. It didn't focus on the truck. It didn't question the vision. It checked the orders. What it found changed everything. The orders weren't sales. They were non-binding reservations. No deposits, no contract, no penalties if buyers walked away. And many of the biggest buyers didn't have fleets, didn't have cash, and couldn't realistically afford the trucks they claimed to want. Steve Burns denied wrongdoing.
First year of production already.
We got 27,000 orders, and we have pre-sold 100,000 of these.
We've never said we had orders. I don't think anybody thought that we had actual orders, right?
People are still debating that, because either the demand was knowingly overstated, or the CEO of a capital-intensive manufacturing startup built his company on the most reckless sales structure imaginable. Either way, the stock collapsed. Leadership unraveled. And by 2023, Lordstown Motors was bankrupt. The lesson for us: confidence is dangerous when it replaces verification. Follow for more stories on why empires fall.